Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123 video walk around. I had to do it here because we're doing pictures over there. Video walk around for this last year made this body Toyota Sienna, guys, under 100,000 miles, no rust, nice white exterior, gray interior, guys. Let's look at it quick outside. We go quick inside so we can see the car very nice and cleaned up. Take a look. Keep that in mind. This is 2008 Sienna, guys. 2008 Toyota Sienna. You need affordable minivan. You know how Toyota saw. Okay, so let's start from the front. The front bumper doesn't have any major damages. Hood very nice. Does have some rock chips. You can see it. Guys, keep that in mind, guys. It's a 15-year-old bumper right there. Has like a little scratch. Okay, you got Michelin tires in the front. Tires are not new. They're not brand new, guys. This door looks good. This door looks good, and the quarter panel looks good. Okay, back Michelin tires a little better than the front, but they're all the same for me. All right, you got a door panel right here. I like it. It's clean. The leather is nice. This is not cracked, and the window works. You got not cracked, which is very good. Dashboard is not cracked out. AC is super cold, of course. I don't see a book here. Okay, there's no navigation. You got 93 something thousand miles. I don't see it from here. 93 689, I believe, or something like that. Seats are nice. Look at that. These are seats. Okay. Look, a little headliner right there. And the vehicle is running, by the way, guys. Vehicle is running. Start. Open this. Okay. Open this one up. Okay, so you got some wear and tear on the carpets, as you can see, guys. We're not changing the carpets, but the seats are very nice. Okay, and the back seats are folded right there. Okay, the back seats are nice also. You got some aftermarket or whatever it is, DVD player, some headphones, and I don't know if we have headphones. This piece is not here, but that piece is over there. I don't know if we have a headphones, guys, so we don't know if it's working. I don't know if anybody uses these things. All the kids have these iPads and stuff. Let's go on the bottom quick. Take a look, guys. Beautiful bottom. I think for the minivan, for a nice affordable minivan with no rust, it's a beautiful minivan. It's an XLE model. Okay. Here's the from the back. There's a lot of space. You can just pull the seats up, put them in there. Okay, the customer came, looked at it, they left it folded. The seats are nice. Just look at the pictures. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Here's your bottom. Okay, you got quarter panel here. Take a look. Quarter panel, Michelin tires here also. The side door is nice. Like, look at it, guys. You don't see any damages here. Okay, you got original Toyota windshield and the VIN number. Okay. All right. So you got these seats are nice also. Okay. Take a look. We'll go here. Driver door. Driver door looks good. This leather piece good. Armrest is not worn. The seat is okay. Windows, all windows work. Look at that. Okay. So we're gonna sit down right now. We'll see there's some kind of mirror right here. Okay. On and off. You got heated seats. Radio. Let's see how it works. I don't see anything. Okay, radio works. It does have airbag light on. I think it's for the seat belt buckle, but we don't touch anything that old. We don't touch anything, so make sure you understand. It has 93,681 with miles. It has that airbag light on. We're not gonna fix it. We're not gonna touch it. So this is what we have. Okay, guys. Now, if you are looking for the car and everything fits your character and budget, you could buy it. Oh, slide door off. Okay, so that's why they didn't open. Let me see this. Oh, okay, so they're working. Very good. That's nice. For that age, they still work, guys. Because if it don't work, it's fine also. You can also close them. Look at that. But there is a button right here. You can shut them off. Okay, right here. Okay, guys. So now, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly. My name is Mark from Always Sold 123. Okay. Let me just try to pop the hood. Okay, you have that piece to pop the hood. You pull it right there. Beautiful engine bay. Numbers. Alright. Okay guys, friendly disclosure. This vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Feel free to come and look at the car. We can ship you the car. All your documents could be done remotely through DocuSign. Also, payment could be through wire transfers, or we will provide you a FedEx label and you will send us cashier's check directly. All right. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to call us, email us, and the third option you have is to send us a little pigeon with a note, and we will get them. Don't worry, we will be here for you. God bless, and thank you for watching.